Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy braided hairstyle for short to medium length hair. First of all, we're going to divide off the hair from ear to ear and clip that top part out of the way for later. Now we're going to find the middle of the hair at the bottom and just section that out and pop it into a small clear elastic band to create a ponytail. Next, all we're going to do is divide that section on the right hand side of the ponytail in half and create two more ponytails. And then working on the left hand side, we're going to do the same, so split it in half again and create another two ponytails. So when you're finished, you should end up with 5 ponytails. Let the top section down and we're going to do exactly the same steps, but first of all I'm going to apply some texture spray to the roots of the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. So apply that all over the back and sides, and now we're going to find that middle section again and pop it into a low ponytail. And then just like the bottom, we're going to split each side of that ponytail in half to create 2 more ponytails on each side. So you should end up with another 5 ponytails on the top. So this is what it should look like. Now, working on that top section, I'm just going to hold on to those elastic bands and pinch and pull at the hair for a bit of messy volume. Now, taking the ponytail on the far left, I'm going to divide this in half and I'm going to bring the ponytail next to it through the middle, and then I'm going to join it to the ponytail next to that one using another elastic band. And we're going to keep working this way, so take the next ponytail, split it in half, bring the one next to it through the middle and then join it to the one next to that. And you should have to do this 3 times until you reach the end. So now we've run out of ponytails, we're going to take the tail ends on the left hand side and we're just going to add a clear elastic band a couple of inches down. Make a small hole with your fingers above the elastic band, pop your fingers through and then pull that underneath ponytail up and through the hole. And we're going to repeat that step again, so add a clear elastic band a couple of inches down that ponytail. Create a hole just above it. Pop your fingers through and pull the underneath ponytail up and through the hole. Now keep going depending on the length of the hair, but because I've got a shorter hair model, I'm just going to tie it all together now with a clear elastic band. And basically we're going to do the same steps on the bottom, but this time we're going to start from the right hand side and work our way along to the left. But we're going to do the same steps, so split your ponytail in half, bring the one next to it through the middle, and then join it to the ponytail next to that. Carry on doing this until you run out of hair. You should end up with 2 braids running in opposite directions. Now I'm going to apply some texture spray all over the braids. I'll again pop what I'm using in the description below for you. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull those braids as much as the hair will allow. So do this for the top and bottom sections. Now taking that bottom braid, I'm going to bring it over to the right hand side. I'm just going to pull the ends of the hair through the elastic to create a little loop so it's easier to control. So I'm going to just bring this underneath that bottom braid and pin it with as many bobby pins as needed. And we're going to do the same with the top braid, and we're going to just bring it underneath, pulling it to the left hand side, trying to pop it in between those 2 braids and secure to the head. Now this is optional, but I've bought some little hair cuffs. Again, I'll link them below, and I'm just going to use these to cover those elastic bands at the side. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.